Okay, today's September 13th, 2025. We have our main man, Chewy, right here. He's replacing equalizers on a trailer for a customer, and he's going to show you how to do it. So typically, equalizers will bust all the time and people don't know it, but they usually bust right in here where the bolt is, and I'll show you, see if you can see in there. You see this little part right here? I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's broke right there where the bolt goes in, and that's no good. So Chewy's going to show you how to do it real quick and real fast. Stay tuned. Oh my gosh. So what size socket are you using to break free that thing?
For the bolt, the spring bolt is a 7/8 or 22, whatever.
7/8 or 22 and a 1 3/8.
And one the spring bolt. I mean for the equalizer.
To break the equalizer bolt. And what size is that one? To break this? Yeah.
This is a 7/8 or 22.
Oh.
Come on, bro.
You want me to hold it for you?
Oh, this is the one of the single range. We'll find the right one. So use this one.
You want me to hold it? Oh my gosh.
It's not the holder the problem. The problem is steel spring. You know what? That's what I don't like. It's that problem. So,
So what he did here was he propped up the two axles with the 4x4 so they don't fall. He just used one of his standard jacks he has, low floor jack, and propped up the two axles. Very smart.
it's not good, bro.
Oh my gosh, I'll hold it. Give it to me.
I don't like to do that, but I would like this. Look at that, bro. Look at the bolt.
This is why you need to check your equipment.
Guy. Sorry, too noisy. Sorry. Look at that bolt, bro.
Another prime example.
Stuck, bro. Look. It's good, huh?
So you can see that crack right there. That's no good. That's why you need to check them and replace them. And also, look at the holes. They're all wallered out. So now what are you going to do, Chewy?
We're gonna put the new one.
Sliding the new one right into place.
You know what? My had a problem.
What?
One axle is moving. See? Yeah, definitely it's moved. So put it down a little bit, be careful. don't slide because this one is smooth. See, it hit right there.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal anyway. It's a little bit different to the normal is, but look, let me put this one here and do it like this. You see that? Oh yeah!
Little tricks.
Mm-hmm.
And then you just put the bolts back in place, huh? And you got it.
That's it. So what about this?
Well, you just hammer it down until it meets the hole, and then you stick it in.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
Trailer Parts Unlimited.
Yes, sir. I was calling up. I was looking at your axles. I've got a Kearney Tandem 24-foot long with 7K axles. Am I able to put the 10K, your Carter 10Ks on there?
More than likely not. The biggest you probably have to go to the 8K.
So I would just have to buy a trailer that already had 10K on it in order to put yours on.
Yeah, I mean, going from a 7K to 10K is typically not going to work out because the measurements on the axles are so different.
Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, and I guess y'all sell 10K, right?
Yeah, they're 700 a piece.
Okay. Y'all install there?
Yes, sir, by appointment.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. And look at that, he's already done. He just has to tighten the bolts down and boom. And what's your advice for the people today, Chewy?
This is a pretty simple job, bro. It takes like 10 minutes.
8 minutes and 22 seconds it took Chewy to do that. Only 8 minutes and 22 seconds.
But I find another issue with the trailer, bro.
What's that?
Look at the brake. I hit that drum and see. I think I'm on the brakes, bro.
Definitely needs new brakes. On your caller and tell her.
Let me see.
That's how you know you probably need new brakes. When all this stuff's falling out of the hub.
I'm gonna test it and see if we I mean, she needed Monday anyway. I told her it's gonna get Monday. That's okay.
And this concludes the session of how to replace an equalizer. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on installing trailer parts.